I'm gonna record my hiccups.
Alex, why did you get a subscription to Bikini Quarterly?
What? Not nice. Ouch. Kiss kiss. Hee just go to Steve. Oh. The Dave good.
My name is Barack Obama, but right here
Me set up my scoop.